This is a true story. Months ago, I posted an Instagram reel and finally it was doing so good. Trending music and all, and I really did good. And then after a few hours, the audio was no longer available. Not available. If that happened to you, don't worry. I found some ways to prevent the stress. Welcome to my channel, everyone. My name is Jackie D, and my goal is to build your self-esteem while you build a powerful social media presence. So self-esteem comes from knowing that your content is good. So today we're talking about Instagram Reels, where when you try to watch your video, you're like this. I don't make sense because suddenly nobody hears me, right? Do not delete your reel. And that makes sense because as of that time that you posted the reel, it was amazing. People watched it, people enjoyed it, so you don't want to remove that. So these are the things that you can do so that if it ever happens to you, your video is still going to make sense. Number one, check your audio, just in case you muted your phone, right? So just make sure your audio is working. Number two, check out other people's reels and make sure there's audio. Number three, if other people's audios are working, check out your other audios. If the audio for your other reels are working, chances are there is an Instagram issue. Number four, if you just noticed that the glitch was happening right there, you should still be able to see the music file that's on there at the top of your Instagram reel. Click on that and go to the actual music file where you'll see other videos and see if they're all working. Chances are the audio is no longer working. Number five, I would go on Twitter. Twitter tells me exactly what's going on because I noticed that if there are issues online, everybody goes on Twitter and starts asking questions. So just go on Twitter and say, Instagram app not working or Instagram down, and I tell you there will be so many new feedback happening. You know why I go on Twitter? Because it makes me feel that I'm not alone. Like, okay, there's an issue going on, so I should relax. I should take it easy. And I should not stress out. Because the goal is you don't want to stress out on social media. What I noticed is that if it's an Instagram issue, there will be a lot of other audios not working. But if it's just that one audio that's not working, then chances are that audio has violated copyright or it has been pulled by the original content creator. So those things can happen. But see, you've already uploaded your Instagram reel. So now you're going to decide, do I keep it? Do I do something about it? As far as I know, you cannot add an audio to an already uploaded reel. You cannot edit it to put that new file. And if your video is already good and people have already seen it, it's such a waste to take it down, right? So this is what I did after that because I didn't want to go through the same stress. I didn't want my video wasted, and I hope that this can help you too. In my case, I try to maximize the use of reels. I would do some lip sync. I would do my talkies, I would do the pointy thing, I would dance, anything that allows me to deliver a message using Reels. So now we're going to touch on talking videos. If you're trying to say something, you're delivering a message, the impact is strong when you have some background music, right? We love background music. But if that music is taken down by the content creator or by Instagram, so does your audio. Your talkies, go with it. So no matter how much I love to put background music, for my talkies, I don't add background music anymore from Instagram. I don't use the Instagram library, right? I just talk. And that way I don't have to worry if the music gets taken down. I will continue to deliver my message. Now, if you really want to use background music with your talkies because it's really more powerful, I suggest embedding music that you're licensed to use. Like I have a license with Epidemic Sound, so I use that for my YouTube videos. And as long as you include Instagram among the platforms that use your Epidemic Sound music, then you can also use that sound on Instagram. Because I have a YouTube channel, I edit my YouTube episodes on my desktop and I use Sony Vegas Pro. And then I add music from Epidemic Sound and then I complete that, I render that. And then from there, I get snippets and post that on my Instagram. So I'm able to repurpose that content and use the same music. And number 3, for example, if you don't really want to talk, but you want just to use videos, then use captions. You know, the music may not go away, right? So you can use music, but use captions. In the event that that music gets taken down, your video will continue with the captions and your message is still there and you don't have to take down your Instagram reel. So now you think, will the audio ever come back? Will it not? Well, the thing is, you're not worried anymore. Like, I'm not worried anymore. Whether the audio is pulled or not, I got my reel out there and it's going to stay where it is. I hope you found this episode useful because it definitely works for me. If you've reached this far, don't hesitate to give this video a like, comment, and share. And consider subscribing because I really want to help you grow your Instagram and your social media brands without the stress and with so much fun and with your self-esteem waving high. Don't forget to sign up for my newsletter and my vlog because I really want to share a lot of things that I learn through the process. I'm pretty new on Instagram, less than 2 years, but I've gotten a good following because I really am so passionate about what I do. So I hope that I can inspire you to be as passionate. This YouTube is my channel to provide you with tutorials and tips and updates, while my Instagram is a showcase of what I do. I will see you next week. Bye for now.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go.